Hello, Deployment Insiders, and welcome back to another episode here in Building 36, home of the Office Engineering team. This week's episode is going to focus on how to enable a subset of your users to get the Office Insider builds. But before we jump into that, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified when new videos are available. I'm excited to share them with you, so let's get started. This week, we're going to cover the ability to enable a user or a group of users to self-select into the Insiders program. What do I mean by this? So if you're not familiar with this already, the Insider program gives users the opportunity to see what's being delivered on early builds of Office. Now, we see a lot of organizations give Insider builds to folks within the help desk, members of IT, and even business unit owners and teams to see what features are going to be released ahead of them being available in like the monthly channel. This will give your organization time to build things like customized communications and even training materials that your users can leverage when the features are available to them. Enabling users to self-select into the Insiders program really is as simple as delivering a policy. Now, this can be done by using the Office Cloud Policy Service, which is available in config.office.com and is always available via group policy. Now, the policy makes it easy for you to select which user or group of users can enable to self-select their devices to receive the Insider builds as they become available. Now, let me show you how to set this up. Now, first, we're going to have to go to the Office Cloud Policy Service by logging into config.office.com, and you're going to get the sign-in page. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Office 365 account that has either a global admin or the new Office Apps admin role. Now, once I go ahead and sign in, I'm going to go into customization and go into policy management. Now, I can go ahead and select an existing policy or create a new one. Now, I'm going to just create a new one to be able to demonstrate this. I'm going to set up an assignment to apply to users and go into configure policies. Now, as this loads up, what I'm going to do is actually search for Insider. And you're going to see show the option for Office Insider. I'm going to go ahead and change that to enable and then click on close and make sure that I actually select the group I want to go after. In this case, I'm going to target the legal department and Insider enablement. And then I'm going to click on create, and that's it. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about some of the things to consider. When enabling this feature, you're going to want to make sure that the ongoing Office updates are not being managed by any other management tool, right? Because what's going to end up happening is this policy will ultimately conflict with the user selection. So ensure that devices are set to kind of like all the defaults, which is having automatic updates turned on and pointing directly to CDN. Now let me show you what it's going to look like from a user perspective. So I'm going to show you with Word open up here. I'm going to click on File, go down into Accounts, and what they're going to see is this Office Insider slab. And they're going to go ahead and click on Join Office Insider. Click on Sign Me Up for early access. I agree. Click on OK, and what this is going to do is going to now set up the ability to switch my build into the Office Insider build. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this new feature. To learn more, head over to our official documentation for the best way to get started. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification icon to know when we release new videos. Also, if you have any topics that you want to hear about on this channel or have a feature that you'd like for us to build, head over to the user voice site. Now, if you want to continue the discussion about this or any other Office-related topics, head over to our tech community site where you'll be able to chat with myself and members of our engineering team and other IT admins from around the world. As always, we'll be adding links to the description below, so I hope to see you there. Until next time, keep on deploying.